Hey guys, so what I have with me here today is the Equate Pink Bismuth Subsalicylate 262 milligram Caplets. This is for an upset stomach and to make you anti-diarrheal. It says it relieves nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, and diarrhea. It says these are the actual size of them. On camera it looks a lot bigger than what they actually are. And on the box it makes it look a lot bigger than they actually are, but they're not that big. And it says compared to Pepto-Bismol. This is just what the box looks like. These are like the drug facts that are in each little caplet. And then it says the uses, which it said on the front too, but it says here some different ones like indigestion and belching and all that. And then here it says like warnings and stuff, so make sure just to read those, especially when going through any medication. Just read what you're putting into your body. It can be very detrimental if you don't know what you're putting into your body. If you usually have a lot of like different problems, then I would take it up with your doctor, I would say. But if you're like a lot of like just drugstore medication, you could just go and grab, and it's not really in need for a doctor's consult in order for you to do that. But I would say if you're usually having a lot of other problems that are, you know, that you have a lot of other problems that are similar to taking medication that you're like, oh, this is questionable, I don't know if I should take this, then I would say consult your doctor. But this is just what the back looks like for some more drug facts that they have here. Like it says here, ask a doctor if you have those. And then this is the side, more drug facts, and then some other information here, and then some inactive ingredients. So what I want to first start out with this product is by saying that bottle is very small. I haven't taken this out of the box yet because this is actually my second box of this. My mom got me this for me going to college, and she bought me 2 boxes. I have no idea why, but she bought me 2 boxes, and this is just the second box. The only reason why I didn't show the other box is because that one's like packed away in like a place where I keep all of my other medications and stuff like that. But I just have this one. It was more, I don't know why it was more accessible than the other one, but I just have this one, and me and my friends and, you know, people would use it a lot, and it's a pretty decent product. We loved using it. It was very easy on the stomach. Like it says, like it relieves the nausea and the heartburn and the indigestion, and if you have like an upset stomach, it's really good for that. And it really just relieves all like the stomach pain. And if you're having like any, like honestly any stomach pain, like I wouldn't say this is for like cramps and stuff, like if you're like a menstrual cycle or anything for the ladies, but if you're going through that, I wouldn't say this is for that. This is more of like for if you're having an upset stomach or like indigestion, like it says on the bottom there, then I would say this is more for that than it is for like anything else of that nature. But yeah, again, like I was saying, the bottle is very small, so it's very easy to travel with. So if you are having like an upset stomach or something during a trip, or you're known to get upset stomachs and stuff during a trip, and you feel like that could happen to you going on another one, I would suggest bringing this with you. It's a really nice thing to just kind of slip in your purse, and it's very discreet. So if you don't want anybody to know, I don't know, but if you don't want anybody to know that you have this, it can literally just slip in your purse, honestly, or in your pocket. Somebody might think it's weird that you have pills in your pocket, but you know, c'est la vie. Do what you need to do. I would say anybody can use this. Again, like I said, just follow like the drug facts that are literally all over the box. It says who can and who can't use it, and how many milligrams come in each tablet. And so I would say just watch out for that. I'm pretty sure this is safe for child use, so you can go ahead and let them use this too. But yeah, like I said, my mom gave me both of these, and friends and I have used it, both male and female, and we have both had success using the product, and we would say that it is a very good product. It has relieved us of many stomach aches and indigestion and the whole 9 yards. So this is a good product in that sense. The pill is very easy to swallow. If you're not a pill taker, I believe they have something similar to this in like a liquid form. But yeah, if you're not, that's just if you're not a pill taker. But I'm a pill taker. I could literally take 2 of these and be fine. But yeah, there's 40 caplets that come in the box, and usually I would only take like 1 to 2 because I know a lot of other medications I usually need about like 3 or 4, and they're around the same number of milligrams. But I usually only need about 2 of these for my upset stomach to go away, and I still have some in the other bottle, so that proves like you don't need a lot of the pills in order to make them work for you. So I would just say they're a good way to keep you like nice and regular and for you helping your stomach, and it works pretty much almost right away. And so I just like the product for that. My friends have had a lot of success using this. I let them use it all the time too, as I've said before, and they really like the product. I know they went out and bought some too. They're very inexpensive, and since we're college students, they're very easy to kind of go and grab. But again, this is just the Equate Stomach Relief for upset stomach and antidiarrheal.